What's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to do a little review on this Boxycharm box. So I'm so excited because when I checked the mail this morning I was like, oh, I received Boxycharm. So I'm really excited to show you the products I received. Plus I'm gonna do a try on, see how the products turned out and how great is the value and is it worth it and so much more. And I want to show you this because I thought it was so cute, but it's actually blue glass. It's like for wine, but I don't drink wine and I don't drink alcohol or wine, so it says stay sweet. I like what it says, and the little pineapple. I thought it was so cute just to show you guys. And I'm actually drinking tropical blend juice. Yummy. Anyways, just want to share that with you guys. It's only $4.99 and I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. Plus you can use your 20% coupon on top of that. So basically got it for like $3.97, almost $4, but I think it's worth it. Well, I don't know. I just like the pineapple and stay sweet because I like what it says there. Anyways, right now I look kind of like weird right now, but I got my eyebrows done and I got my foundation and my powder on, concealer, everything. Not everything, but I'm gonna be using what's in the box. And yeah, so let's get started with the video, shall we? So Boxycharm, it's you pay $21 a month and it will be deducted to your bank account, and you receive 5 or 6 full products. Depending, mostly you get 5 full-size makeup products. You either get makeup, brushes, skincare, or anything, palettes, anything that they receive. And I feel like $21 is worth it because you receive 5 full products. And they're mostly like high-end products, so I thought it was really cool that you only pay $21 and you receive more than $21 inside it. I received this card and the theme for this month of February is Galaxy Glow. So that's very nice. And I do see another little card down here, and this is, ooh, okay. This is a Cover FX coupon, 20% off your next purchase on coverx.com. And there's also a code FXCharm, which is really cool, and that is very nice. And you know, you don't really have to buy what you received in here, but you can get other ones. So I'm definitely going to take advantage of this coupon and purchase something else from Cover FX or whatever, anything. So yeah, first thing I'm going to grab is this guy right here. This is Cover FX, and this is like a shimmer veil, valet chachula, can't pronounce that. This is for percent cream, perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want. A veil of shimmer. This is a paralleled buildable formula, feels weightless, lasts all day, and won't crease or transfer. So that's really nice. And this bad boy retails for $28. Wow, $28 for this shimmer veil. This multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease proof enough for boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types, which is really cool. That's very nice. So I'm going to open this. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Look at this, guys. Looks more like pink, purple-ish shimmer veil. That's really cute. And it says Cover X. So first I'm going to be taking my Maybelline eyeshadow palette and also highlight, and I'm actually going to be taking my Wet n Wild brush, and I'm actually going to be taking this shade right here. So I'm just going to be taking as my transition shade because I do want it to look very nice on it. So next I'm gonna go in with this darker shade right here, which is more like a brown. Just gonna put it in my outer corner just so it can look very good. I'm gonna go back with my brush that I used first, and I'm just gonna blend everything out. So I'm actually going to apply this on my lid and see how that turned out. So it's very creamy, easy to apply because it looks more like a purple shimmer, also pink added as well. So I'm just gonna go back with my brown shade and I'm just gonna darken that out. Then I'm just gonna be taking this gold shimmer, which is right here. I'm gonna apply it on my brow bow. And I really love how this feels. It's very creamy, easy to apply. Had not had any problem with it, and I really love this so much, this shimmer veil. And I think I'm gonna use this as my highlighter, but see, hopefully that turns out okay. But yeah, so I really love this, and $28, it's not so bad for this brand, and it's full size and it's really great. It's very creamy. Next product I'm going to be taking out is this Pure Cosmetic. What is this? This is the Pure Cosmetic, the Completion Authority X-Fox Lips Plumbing Lip Exfoliator. This retails for $17. Wow, $17 for this? What is this? And this is what it looks like. Okay, it looks interesting. This with an instant boost of sheer butter, raw sugar, exfoliating beads with an 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil. Okay, so it's a scrub pencil. So it plumps, hydrates, and soothes using the shea butter to soften your lips, while the raw sugar exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells. Okay, and moisturize your lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lip. Let's try it on and see how this turned out. So it feels kind of rough on the lips. When you applied it, it feels really kind of like rough. Like, if I were you, I would go gently on your lips. You don't want to go too hard on your lips because it is kind of rough and it feels weird. So, I mean, shea butter and all that, I can taste that. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna leave it there for like 1 minute and see how that turned out, if it made any difference or not. So that 1 minute, I went to go grab a napkin just to remove this, and removed it with my napkin, and it does feel soft even when I touch it, but I'm not a big fan of this. It's just that I always use my chapstick, my lip balm. I don't know, it's just me. But I also use my cosmetic lipstick, which is more like healthier for your lips. But it's okay, I guess. It made a difference, very soft. But it's actually great. It's just that $17 for this, and I don't know, it's just, I don't know, I wouldn't pay this, or I'm not really like a big fan of this, you know. I'm more of a lip balm, a chapstick girl, you know. It's just me. But yeah, overall it's great. It does work. It makes somewhat your lips different, a bit softer, and yeah. So I suggest you, if you really like this, just stay on your, just leave it like for, I don't know, 3 minutes, and then just remove it with makeup wipe. Next, I'm going to be showing you guys these brushes. They're from Crown, and it comes with 3 brushes, and they're called Crown Pro Trio Brush Set. So use this Brio brush set trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. Finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. So let's open that up. So this, what it looks like, it kind of looks like the Wet n Wild brushes that my mom has. I have some too, but they're pretty dirty right now, so they kind of look white, except it says Wet n Wild. Same thing with this to hold it. But they feel so soft. I really like that. Uh-oh, one hair fell off. They feel so good, so soft. And yeah, so this small one can be used to conceal imperfection, highlight underneath your eyes. So this small one is to highlight underneath your eyes, and this medium-sized brush can use to sculpt cheekbones and of the face, so maybe to contour, I guess. And this large brush is for powder brush, can be used to set everything in place. So this is like to powder your face, just to set everything. Maybe like to set your under eyes, your whatever you apply powder, the whole entire face, I guess. And these 3 brushes retail for $29.99, which is 30 bucks. This brush right here, and I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. palette, contour palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and tap, and I'm just gonna like contour my face just to see. Okay, so they're very soft. They do their job. I really like that. So they're very soft. It blends really quickly, which I like. I'm gonna be using this little brush right here, and I'm actually gonna go and take this, and I'm actually gonna apply it under my lashes. So then off camera, I'm going to apply my eyeliner and my mascara. The next one I received is this vintage smoky eye pencil, and this retails for $21. Wow, okay. So Jessica's Richie Pigmented Smoky Eye Pencil delivers instant jet black definition, creating pencil point pre-session or smudgy shimmering color. That creamy soft formula glides on the lids without tugging or pulling. So supposedly it's like it delivered instant jet black definition, very creamy soft formula, glides on the lid. So it's very black. This is what the pencil looks like, and this is the shade. It's like very black, and I'm actually going to apply it under my eyelid. See how that works. $21 I feel like is a lot just for like smoky eye pencil, But either way, it's great. I like it, and yeah, it's okay, you know. The next product that I have is this Ofara Cosmetics. So you receive this thing. This is a blush winter rose glow, and then you also get this pop-up palette mini. You can storage your like your eyeshadows or whatever. So I thought that was really cool. I guess this is what goes in here. I'm more of a palette girl, but I mean that's great because that way I can order one of these at ColourPop or for cosmetics, and I can just like stick it right in. And I thought that's really cool and cute. I will definitely check that out. So this pop-up palette mini, it's worth $19, and the blush retails for $12. So as a pop-up palette provides a perfect home for any matte makeup gadget, I don't know. Items can be continually tailored, rearranged according to the personal preference. The unique design and lightweight and travel-friendly, yes, securely holds the gadgets in place. The blush offers a strong pigmented with long-lasting effect in a fabulous pressed powder brush. So this is, it's true what it says. You can definitely take this to travel. That way it won't prevent from opening. So I thought it's really cool, and plus I can order any of the pop-up shadows in ColourPop or Ofara Cosmetics website or Ulta, anywhere. So I can definitely just store them in here, which is really cool. So that's very cool. For blush, I'm definitely going to try this out, and this one is Blush Winter Rose Glow, and let me swatch it for you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's very cute. I like it. I don't like it to be too pink. I don't know why, but not too pink for me. So I'm actually going to take this brush because why not? I already applied powder. Ooh, there's fallouts. And I'm just gonna tap it, and I'm just gonna apply. Whoa, wait, I put way too much. Okay, that was way too much. Be careful because it's very pigmented. Make sure you tap, and I'm just gonna apply it on the other side. I didn't know it was gonna be too pink, but that's okay. I should have known because it's like Blush Winter Rose Glow, but it's very pigmented. I really like how this applied on my cheeks. It's very pink, but it says Blush Winter Rose Glow. It's very pigmented, so make sure you just tap and just apply less, because I feel like applying more than here, but that's okay. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed my video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll link Boxycharm down below. That way you can check it out and subscribe as well, because I feel like $21 is worth it. There's some hit and miss products that you may not like. You might fall in love with it. It all depends on what you like. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.